Here's a little video I thought was worth sharing about soldering very small component parts onto quite a complicated ring. These three bits of shot, silver shot, have now been boraxed, and I've put some little very small pallium of easy solder around there. I'm just going to warm up and let's hope this will video. I only use 2 grades of solder, hard and easy. So I'm going to warm it up slowly so that the borax bubbles up. Just watching for movement. I'm always working with my tweezers in my left hand, or right. I can swap over. In case I have to move something, what you don't want to happen is I do not want one of these little balls of shot to solder onto the side of one of the settings which will hold the stones. That would be a disaster. So heating the body of the job. Now there's 3 bits of shot, hopefully just going to solder now. Okay, I think that's done. Let's see if that's easiest way to find out if they've stayed on is to quench them in water. And there they are. Good. Now I'm going to soak that in acid. Get rid of all the oxides and the rest of the borax, and then I will examine with the jeweler's loupe all my joints to make sure that, for example, that all the little parts of the leaves are soldered down. There's nothing worse than it catching on your clothing once you've finished your job. So check all your solder joints before you set your stones. Okay, so over and out for the moment. I'll come back to you when I'm setting these stones. Bye bye.